guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. As you saw from, I think, my last video, maybe my hair was pink. Listen, I can't stay looking one way for very long. So this pink hair, which I've had for, I don't know, maybe a week or 2 weeks, for some reason is just like bothering me and I want to get rid of it. So I was looking up online how is it that I could change my hair color without adding more damage to whatever is already going on up here. Now I have bleached all of the bits that you see that are pink right now myself. So they were done at home with regular ingredients. I didn't use any type of Olaplex or a bond multiplier to strengthen my hair, so there is some damage. The top of my hair, I mean, the top of my hair was always like a looser of a curl than the bottom of my hair, but up here now is it's an easy loose wave, like very straight, and then the back of my hair is very curly and then wants to shrink up. So I've been wearing my hair kind of just like rolled out and straight for a little while. It's also been like helping and assisting to keep the color in my hair, because the less you wash it, the less it fades out, the less you have to paint it again. And yeah, I don't know what came over me, but I knew that I wanted to also get maybe like a U-part wig that I think we're gonna go a little bit darker today. Now, I don't think I'm gonna do like a black, but I might get to there. I think what we're gonna do is, yeah, we're gonna we are going to take the color all out of the pink and we're gonna, yeah, okay. So today we'll be going through how we're going to safely remove the color without using bleach to further damage the hair. There's just a few things that you're going to need. Baking soda. I stole this one from the house. Processing caps. I've got 2. A purple shampoo. Dish soap, and I took this one from the house. This is a Myers Lemon Verbena dish soap. A mixing bowl. And something to mix in the bowl. I was looking at some videos online and people were, some people were just using whatever volume they have. And I know it's quarantine, but you know, try not to use like higher developer if you don't need to, because it's just gonna add to the hair processing more. So it's just gonna be unnecessary damage. But sometimes, like, if you have a thicker hair, it might not be detrimental. So if you can, go with the 10 volume. Now, I don't really know a solid mixture for this little concoction, so we're gonna go through this together. First of all, I need to get rid of this shirt because I do not want to get any type of peroxide or baking soda on here, so that's better. So what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna mix this together. So first of all, I'm just gonna tie my hair kind of back. It's gonna look crazy because all of my hair doesn't actually go into the ponytail quite yet, so the sides be all sticking out all kinds of crazy sometimes. That was my only scrunchie. It broke. It'll be okay. We will... Yeah, we'll just rock this. Look at that. Ooh, she's sculptural. Ooh, is it high fashion? So we're just gonna eyeball this like we're some kind of magician or something. And I'm just gonna open up the baking soda. And we're gonna pour in some baking soda. Pour it in until we get like enough for a solid base. I'm just pouring in. I'll show you how much it is. I'll show you. So we're gonna use about this much baking soda. It's like, okay, like a quarter cup. I'm just kidding, I don't know what that is. We're just using a little bit of the baking soda. Take your baking soda and we're gonna mix in some developer. A little bit more, there we go. And then we're going to add in our purple shampoo. It's going in this little like mixture right here. Okay. And then we're gonna add in our dish soap, which is our final ingredient. I mean, this looks pretty cool. Oh wait, is there a... Oh! tight bottle. Okay. All right, I think it's kind of like an even amount of everything. A kind of. Oh, that was the dish soap bottle. I didn't know what the hell that sound was for a second. My bad, my bad. Mix well. Let's start with the pinkest parts and we'll work our way around. Hey y'all, it has been about 45 minutes, 50 minutes, I lost track of time. It could be between 45 and an hour. So let's just take off the cap and see what we got, what we working with. Put that down. All right, so, ooh, yes. Also the baking soda is like, I feel like it's good for my scalp. A little bit of dry scalp this winter, you know what I'm saying? So it looks like, I don't know, it looks like I still see some pink in it. I don't know, it could be a reflection from my walls because there is some brown in it, you know? So yeah, let's see, the back looks kind of like there's no color in it, or like there won't be. I don't know. Let's wash this out, come back in a second and see what that looks like. And so we are back after about an hour. I let the 10 volume developer, the dish soap, the purple shampoo, and the baking soda all saturate through my hair, and it got, I think it got all of the color out. I mean, the hair is still wet, but as you can see, I mean, I don't really see any pink. Can you see pink back there? As I'm turning around, can you see it? Did you see it there? It's a little hard to tell just because in the front I have like brown in my hair as well, so that is not to be mistaken with the pink, but the pink kind of like blended in very well with it. But I think I'm probably gonna leave my hair as is, and then I think maybe for another video we might take this color and go darker. But yes, this trick definitely works. I don't feel like my hair, I mean, some people were saying that their hair felt like dry. My hair doesn't feel necessarily drier. I mean, I guess like it's bleached, so, I mean, my hair is, it doesn't feel drier, but my hair is also bleached, so it's like, you know, has a level of dryness that it already feels. So I'm probably not going to dry it or use any heat tools on it. Just to kind of give my hair a little bit of a treatment, I'm going to use my Eva NYC Moisture Therapy Mask. Got a little bit of that. Oh, and I know what this smells like, so I can already just like feel, ooh, that's such a good little dollop that I put together there. Rub that together, and I'm gonna run that through my hair. I'm actually gonna use just a little bit more. We're gonna leave my hair to kind of be on its own for a little bit. Oh, okay. After discovering this and having my hair feel so good, I honestly don't think I would do anything else besides this method to get color out of my hair. So if you do have some hair dye that's a little pesky to get out, I would suggest this little baking soda method. If you like this method, or if you just like me, hit me with a like, leave a comment down below. Again, let me know if you've tried this or what other methods that there are that I could try for taking color out of the hair so I can switch it quickly and, you know, be on the fly. But I think we might go dark after this, y'all. So stay tuned for that video. Let's work on making tomorrow not just good for ourselves, but for the whole world. I love you all, and be well.